Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing my DIY glow face pack which I use usually throughout the year, and it works wonderfully for me, for my skin. It suits me very well and I want you to try this face pack. Is gonna make your skin glowy and soft and plumpy and gonna refresh your skin. So I want you to please try it and let me know in the comments if how it worked for you. And the ingredient is, you can easily find it in your kitchen. It doesn't need that much ingredients, just 1 to 3 ingredients and you're good to go. So let's make it. So the first thing you need is besan or gram flour. I have taken here 1.5 spoon of gram flour, and in this you are going to add raw milk. There is not like proper quantity, there is nothing like that. It depending on how much your besan or gram flour you are taking and the milk you are adding to make the perfect consistency, because the consistency we want in this is like not very runny or not very thick. I'll show you the consistency, but I think I need little more milk, so I'm adding here a little more raw milk to make the consistency perfect. Okay. Here I have added more milk. Okay, now I'm mixing this together very well. So make sure there is no remaining lumps in it, and mix this very well. And in this I am adding a few drops of honey, 3 to 4 drops of honey, and I'm going to mix this very well, very nicely. Here I have mixed it very well, and now the pack is ready to use. Before using, you must clean your face very nicely with your face wash and whatever you use, and apply it all over your face and give a very light massage for around like 1 to 2 minutes. Give a very gentle massage on your face and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets dry, and you wash it off very lightly, very gently wash it off, and apply moisturizer, which is very important after applying this pack. Okay, if you